So hello guys, let's break down a trade that I took this morning on this pair. So first and first, on the daily time frame, well, the way that we took this trade is of like Falcon FX strategy, right? So as we can see, we have impulse correction, impulse, and it has still room to go to the upside, right? And also, when you can see on the 4-hour time frame, there is still a gap that needs to be filled up, right? That's why we are longing this. We are longing, right? And also we can see here impulse correction impulse. It is a big structure where we can see the structure on the 4-hour time frame. As we can see, impulse correction impulse, right? So we can just use this line tool right on there, and then on the 1-hour time frame, as we can see there, the price tried to come up to the upside, fell to the downside, again push up to the upside. Once it pushed up to the upside, I was looking to get in by using the 50-minute time frame. Well, this trade is kind of like an advanced entry. Well, if you know how to trade the hybrid trading method, well, if you guys don't have the hybrid contents like the latest one, or even the old foundation one, then I have all of those things for you guys. The first one is the Falcon mechanics, second one the 4-hour. Also I got the reward program for you guys, and then the refinement. And the most important one is the hybrid trading. This is newly launched, right? So if you guys don't have it, if you guys want it, just message me on here. It is Telegram. So I will be more than happy to share those things for a small fee, which is like I also paid money to get those things, and I put a lots of efforts on recording those things, right? As we can see on the 50-minute time frame, once we break the structure, we can see here we also get a two-touch continuation structure on the 50-minute time frame. I do like this trade. I want to take this trade, but I just don't like it that enough, right? So that's why I wait for the next insurance entry on the 50-minute time frame, which also it happens right there. As we can see, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles, right? That's it. And then I just set it stop play right above there. Stop loss will be around there. So right now it's running for about 3.2%, right? I will be more than happy to close, like slightly manage this trade a bit aggressively, because we are also very close to this point, and the way the price is moving to that point, as we can see, 1 2 3, a reversal pattern is developing right now. All right, so that's why I have to be a bit more aggressive to the way that I manage this trade. So that's it, guys.